We're night riding. What's up? Alright, so we are here in Arizona, even though it looks like freaking Colorado outside.
Nice.
As the snow.
Freaking Colorado.
Oh shoot. I'm sorry, Dad.
Just swipe it outside.
What do I do?
Roll the window up. Roll the window up.
What?
Stop. You can stop it right there.
You mean open the door?
Where's it at?
It's right there. I can push it out.
Yeah, just try not to get it down the pocket. Get down there and run the motor.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, honey. I just don't want it to get a lot of moisture.
Freaking Arizona, there's not supposed to be this much
Listen,
snow.
I got it. But you can roll down the window down to the snow on your door. That's okay.
Right
hey,
there?
we'll go up some. Close
I
the door.
don't even want it up. So anyway.
You get back already?
Oops.
No, we had a little snow cleanup back here. Hope decided to roll down her window, not realizing she had snow on the window. Exactly.
This place actually looks pretty good. I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, so it's super snowy outside, but I think we're gonna try to go do a trail that we did the other day in the truck. See how far we can get, how bad this snow is. Because we don't really know the terrain here, it's kind of iffy when it comes to riding in the snow. But we'll go out and see what we can find. Right now we're headed to Williams again to grab some lunch. Haven't tried any Mexican food yet, so looks like that's on the agenda. And you interrupted my vlog for a pony?
Yes.
You must always do that. And then of course we're gonna go to Brood Awakening. Harrison, are you ready for some Brood Awakening? Yeah, bunch of snow outside, but it looks awesome. But we didn't really come prepared for this much snow. We brought a little bit. We thought it was gonna be like a light dusting, but it is inches and inches, and I think we're gonna keep getting more the rest of the day and even tomorrow. So.
Well, for the record, it did say accumulations up to 1 inch. We've got
Oh heck no.
4 to 6 inches.
Yeah, about 4 to 6 inches. I mean, look at the front of Dad's. Look at the. Can you see that? Can't really see the. Look how much snow there's piled up, and that's from him moving it a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna head to Williams, grab some Mexican food. The cold weather calls for it, and see y'all later.
Alright, so it's a little after about around 6 o'clock right now. It's been snowing all day. We haven't gotten to ride at all today. With us not knowing the land very well and just with the treachery of the snow, we weren't going to risk it. But snow finally stopped. We only got about an hour or so of daylight left, so we're going to get out and even if it's just drive the main roads or maybe some of these little back trails close to the house, we're just going to try and get out and get something done. No plan at all, just kind of get out and ride and make the most of what we can. But you know, in my opinion, any time you can get out and ride in the snow, no matter how short of it is, it's always a good time. We got to ride in the snow a little bit, so if you remember back to our New Year's trip to Mountainburg, Arkansas, we got to ride in a little bit of the snow, but this is very much a different kind. This is 6 to 8 inches of snow versus that was, you know, probably an accumulation of a total of an inch. So this is going to be like our first real time driving in this good powdery snow. So we're super excited to get her out and driving that. So we're just going to get out, drive around a little bit, try and make the most of what we can, and you know, at the end of the day, we're still going to have a lot of fun. So you know what? Let's go rip it.
Like the coolest night ride I think we've ever been on. Where's Hayden at? I think everybody's making yellow snow. How you feeling, Zach?
I made a Z with yellow snow.
You what?
I made a Z out of yellow snow.
Nice.
Take a picture.
Nice. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's snowing and it's cold, but when you're having fun, man, you know what would make this better? Coffee. Oh, is that warm?
Oh,
Oh. All right, I'll
You
do
don't want
it.
to do it out here in the snow?
Fine.
All right, so that was probably one of the coolest night rides we've ever been on. Too
Yep.
bad Harrison couldn't go because he was doing homework, but that was awesome.
If we were better equipped for this,
Yeah.
I think it's like we are Texas infrastructure when it comes to the snow. We're not equipped for it.
Right.
You're
We're
talking
just
about
not.
clothing equipment,
Yeah.
not
Clothing equipped, yeah.
We love to night ride, and we don't like letting the cold stop us. So honestly, anybody that goes on these night rides in these cold weather conditions and it's nothing because you have the right gear, comment below. Let us know what is it that you guys use that lets you go riding this kind of stuff all the time, because we need to know. We love night riding, and we don't want to let cold weather stop us. And unfortunately, well, first we didn't know this was going to happen, but second of all, I don't even know if we had the right kind of gear to night ride. But if you have suggestions or tips, leave it in the comments below. We would really appreciate it.
And if you say, hey, if it's the boots, let us know what kind of boots you buy. If it's we use liners, what kind of liners,
Yeah.
what kind of glove.
Any of our other fellow riders out there that love to night ride, let us know too, because we love to hear those kind of stories. What do you like to night ride? What do you guys ride? Let us know. Like, one of our favorite things is to read you guys' comments and hear about your experiences and stuff. So yeah, let us know below. But anyway, that was the coolest night ride ever.
Yep.
Wish it could have been longer, but we have one more day to ride, which is tomorrow. So we'll get to ride in the snow again tomorrow, and it'll be daytime. My windshield is iced.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna try and get a good afternoon ride in the snow and tomorrow. One last final hoorah, and then we're gonna try and go out on the bank. So we appreciate y'all tuning in.
Here comes Soph.
Here comes Sophie.
Here comes
Hang on.
Soph. Come on over here, child. Let me hold you.
So Sophie wanted me to tell y'all to make sure you like and subscribe down below. Leave a comment, with the suggestions and everything. And we appreciate y'all tuning in, and we're excited to catch you on the next one. So
say bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
See you guys.
Peace out.